Next week, hard to believe it here, but let's talk spring cleaning. Yuck. And let's start indoors with Kathryn Emery, home improvement and lifestyle expert. She has some easy tips here to get things done and also to get it done smarter this year. And Kathryn, welcome to Indy Style. Spring cleaning time. That's not the easiest thing to do, huh?
No, you are so right. But I have things that are going to make it. I like to clean smarter and less, basically.
Well, that's good too. I mean, you got to get it done here. You know, it's that time of the year. Start in the garage, go inside, whatever. But this year, what's new to cleaning this year?
All right, well, Randy, you're going to love this one. Have a light bulb help you fight germs. So this is Sylvania Light Shield Germicidal light bulb. Here's how it works. You'll screw in this light bulb and it will help fight germs and odors. So the room's natural air circulation is going to bring germs, odors in contact with this light shield surface. Once the light bulb is turned on, it's activated, then it's going to decompose, disinfect, and neutralize germs as well as odors. So, you know, if you're cooking or whatever, you have pets in the house. The nice thing is, Randy, it's just an everyday light bulb. So see, this comes in a 60 watt. The overhead light comes in a 65 watt. You get the soft white, so that like kind of that yellow glow. They have daylight, so that really bright white. It's going to last you 10 years, but just great technology. They have that over at homedepot.com. But isn't that phenomenal? I love just screwing in a light bulb and having it help fight germs and odors.
And sometimes for me, that's even hard screwing in a light bulb. You know, I may need a little help in trying to do that. So, hey, what is a spring cleaning must-have that we got to get this year?
Dun, dun, dun. If you do not have a wet dry vac, please go invest in one. Do you have one?
Nope.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And ladies too. Okay. So it seems intimidating because, you know, they call them shop vac, but this is the everything vacuum. It cleans water messes, big industrial size spills, you know, Legos all over the ground. So this is the Greenworks. It's a 60-volt battery powered. So you don't have to worry about being plugged in. It's lightweight, it's compact, it's gonna move around with me. I get those really hard to reach areas with all that power. Here's kind of the cool thing too. It's a hybrid. So now they're making hybrid power tools. So you can plug it in if you want and have that extra power, but just a great thing from Greenworks. And the nice thing is if once you get into this battery platform, they have all these other tools, outdoor power tools. So it's kind of it's a great investment to have. And just everybody needs a shop vac or wet dry vac.
I mean, that does all kinds of things in cleaning the house there, doesn't it? I mean, all kinds of things.
Everything. My Christmas tree came down and it was pine needles, water, everything. So yeah, definitely highly recommend. You'll use it everywhere.
All right. What's something that you can use throughout your entire house?
So I love items that do everything for me.
Too.
This is the So this is the click and clean mop. It dusts, it scrubs, it shines, it polishes every surface. So tile, laminate, floor. So it comes with this microfiber pad. So this is the cleaning pad. The nice thing about this is you can throw it in the wash and use it over and over again. So you're saving money not buying more pads. This is the dusting pad. And then I love this grout brush. So you click it on, you can clean your shower tile. You don't have to get up high or down on your knees. So and they've got a scrubbing brush on there, but I love something that does multiple things for me. So I just move that thing all over my house. Rejuvenate, click and clean. Just an amazing, amazing thing.
Kathryn, we have 30 seconds. What's something to think about for the kitchen?
You might not think about this, but you need to change your trash can, because when is the last time you did this? And so go hands-free. And this is the Rubbermaid Series Premier 3 trash can. It's got a wide foot pedal. It's got a nice, clean look design. It'll blend into your kitchen. I love it's got a liner lock, so the bag's not going to slip. It removes the trash easily. It's so many things, but just look for something that's affordable, is going to look good, blend in. So this is homedepot.com too, right? Isn't this awesome?
It's awesome. Absolutely.
And it's Rubbermaid. I mean, they know what they're doing.
There you go. So. Lasts long. I like those Rubbermaid things you got there. Hey,
everything.
Real quick, how can we get a hold of you? How do we contact you?
Well, everybody should go to bethebesthome.com for all these spring cleaning tips and more awesome home projects.
All right, Kathryn, I appreciate it. Thanks for joining us here. And
Hey, thank you.
Have fun doing some spring cleaning this year, huh?
I
Yeah?
will. I might
Okay.
change out of my green St. Patrick's dress to do it, but you know.
All right, Kathryn, appreciate that. All right.
Thanks, Randy. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you. Vanessa?
Randy, I actually asked for a shop vac for my birthday. I
did
love
ya?
the practical gifts, you guys, so I think I need an upgrade.